everyone, my name is Akshara. I really enjoy super maths because it really helps me. And now maths is my favorite subject. Today I'm going to share my knowledge of mental theory. I hope you enjoy it.
19 minus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6.
30.
3 plus 7 plus 18 plus 7 plus 1.
36.
24 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7.
45.
10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 minus 5.
23.
4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 minus 10.
10.
29 plus 1 plus 6 plus 9.
45.
36 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8.
53.
19 minus 2 plus 3 plus 7.
27.
8 plus 24 plus 7 plus 6.
45.
6 plus 25 plus 7 plus 5.
43.
8 plus 11 plus 9 plus 2 minus 8.
22.
29 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 8.
48.
18 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6.
36.
26 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3.
48.
7 into 67.
469.
7 into 44.
308.
7 into 59.
413.
6 into 33.
198.
6 into 61.
366.
6 into 79.
474.
Well done.